One of the cool things that I have around here is this 1946 Philco refrigerator, model A-622. Overall, the shape of this refrigerator inside's in decent condition for its age. It is missing a lot of the stuff that came with it. Hopefully one of these days I'll get it repaired, maybe restored. And this tag just happens to be the one that came off the compressor while I was trying to find model numbers for it. But the model number is actually on the back. I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but there's the back of the refrigerator with the model numbers.